Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Anisa, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Everything I'm linked to will be linked down below in the description. And let's get right into the video. So right now all I'm doing is pushing her cuticle back, and I've sprayed her hands with alcohol to just go ahead and soften everything up. Then I will be going in with a sanding band. Now I'm going in with a cuticle ball bit. After I'm done going in forward and reverse with that cuticle ball bit, I went ahead and dusted the nails off. Now I'm going in with my 876 nails coffin tips. You can go in with shorter tips than this initially, but like I said, they're the only ones that I have upstairs with me. And also, this is kind of it, but oh, it makes the nails very slim. That's what I was thinking of. It makes the nails more narrow, and I'm using KDS glue to glue them on. The little flower glue holder is from Luhzar. I will leave the link to it down below in the description. But yeah, all I'm doing is applying the tips. After I have my tips all applied, I'm going in with my magnet and my tip cutters, and I'm just cutting the nails down to the length you wanted. We only used one magnet to get this length, or we used two. We use one or two magnets, but like I said, I already have one magnet glued onto the tip cutters at all time, just because it makes it not slide around as much, and all you do is have to file the metal and then glue it on with the KDS. But now I'm going in and reshaping the nails just a little bit, making sure it's not on her skin. And after I do that, it will be time to blend the nail tip in and then go in with application. It looks aggressive on camera, but I'm not really going over her nail for the second time too crazy. I'm really just trying to blend the tip in, and if I missed any spots, going over it the second time really makes sure it all gets buffed evenly. Now I'm going in with coconuts from Bombnails, and here I am trying to make sure her nail is even. To preserve length, you can go ahead and apply the acrylic and then go ahead and file the tips after, just because the more you file on the tip, the shorter it's going to get, and it's already so short, so you don't want to take off any more than you have to. The monomer is just from my regular nail supply, and the primer I use is from Luhzar. I've done 2 coats on both hands. Now it's time to go in with the acrylic. I'm going in and really just trying to do a 1 bead method, but at the beginning I messed up because, like I said in my previous video, I did not get this monomer like too long before I did her nails. And you guys, she's not used to this short length, but her nails have lasted very, very well. And it's actually time for her to get a fill now. And she has all of her nails on right now but one. And the reason why she has that one off is because I didn't get to her quick enough, which is very crazy because usually by now all of her nails would have been off. So very proud of my application and all of that, and I'm proud of her for not ripping her nails off. But I'm gonna let you guys watch, and then I will be back when it comes to filing. My phone did die 3 times in this video, so it might be a little bit like weird where the cuts are, so please ignore that. And it is a shorter video also because, like I said, my phone did die. And this is a very soft white. It reminds me of Soft Touch by Valentino. Like, it's that vibe. So it's not going to be fully opaque, but the more you build it up, the whiter it gets, and I will not be encapsulating also. So you did not see the thumb because my phone died. Sorry for the lighting change. Now I'm going in with a fine ceramic drill bit from Pana, and I'm debulking, making sure the nail is smooth. If there's any acrylic that's spilled, I'm cleaning it up as much as I can, and I'm just really disconnecting any acrylic on the skin because I promise you it will lift. Like, that was my biggest issue. And what really helps is trying to control your acrylic while you're laying it. It just makes it so much better. Like, look at her thumb. I did pretty good. She got red on it from whatever she was eating. But yes, you guys, this is one of my favorite sets I've done on her. And it is just a traditional white set. So, like, even the one colors can be very, very, very cute. You just have to do it right. And now that I'm getting better with my application, it's looking much better. So after I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and reshape the nails also. You can see the nails really aren't that thick. They're really just like natural nail overlay thickness, if that makes sense. They don't have to be the thickest thing in the world because they are super, super, super short, okay? So this is the time where you want to get that free edge straight because A, this is like the only time, and this will be your final length. Now I'm going in and buffing the nails just to make sure everything is nice and smooth. You can go in and reshape again if you have to, but after this I will be going in with top coat. After I've wiped the nails down with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, I'm going in with the Bombnails Shiny Top Coat. And I'm pretty sure I did 2 layers of top coat just to be safe because, like I said, this top coat did get messed up somehow. Like, there was little clumps in it of gel, like cured gel. So I don't know what happened to it. It just has been sitting here for a long time. And it's like maybe 1 to 2 years old. So that's most likely it. But I'm going to cure it for a full 120 seconds. And then I'm going to add some cuticle oil. And then that will be the end. After the nails have cooled down, I'm adding my cuticle oil. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. Let me know, have you seen any of my recent YouTube shorts? If you've seen the community post I posted on my community tab, let me know. Everything I link to be linked to down below in the description, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.